Hello YouTube, Crazy Robot Lady here. Oh, after the amazing disappointment of Winnie the Walking and Talking Doll, I hope we will make out better this time. This video will probably also be a two-parter as I have to find the batteries. Today I will be unboxing my Mattel D-Rex. And after this, there will be no more unboxings for the year. Get rid of this really quickly. Alrighty then. Let's see. Oh, I may not even, well, yeah, let's do this. It looks easy. And there's a nice slit right here. Whee! Come on now, robot knife. You've unboxed everything. There we go. Not quite where I want it to be. Just as long as you split the tape, yo. Okay, it isn't wanting to be helpful. So, forget it. My robot knife might need a trip to the whetstone. Yeah. Are you gonna go through here at least? Please? Thank you. Crap, I did not get rid of all the info. I thought I did, but evidently I did not. Now, can you get through this, please? Thank you. And this. Thank you. And this. Oh, okay. Blind lady is through with dangerous knife. I cut myself with that thing, by the way, trying to open Ryu, my very first serious robot. Oh my god. Sorry. Whoa. 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 Oh my, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. You are so cool. Do you really stand like that? Okay. Wow. You is a big boy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Nobody told me they were this large. I don't know. To me, his body looks more like a turkey with a giant head. Wow. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else in here? Nope. I don't know. They didn't pack that very well. All right, let's see. Oh, shh. There's batteries in here. Holy crap. I don't know how good they are. They don't sound very good. But he seems happy that I petted him on his little head. There we go. Whatever that was. Yo, let go. Yeah, I don't think these are all that good. So, just in case, whoops. Yeah. Oh, that is too cute. Anyway, so we have seen him moving. He does not move very well at all, by the way. And I don't know if his feet are supposed to be that close together yet. I don't know. It doesn't seem right to me. But, let's see if I can find my batteries. Worm on this bed at one point in time. Oh, there they are. Oh, some happy little brand new sea batteries. And there are 4 in here, and I believe he takes 5. And this is going to be my first time, sorry guys, this is going to be my first time looking at this battery compartment. So, oh my gosh, you're so cute with your giant head. Yeah, with your giant head and your big buffy face. Okay, let's see. Okay, big boy, I've got to lay you down for this. Okay, that's the wrong screw end. Sorry this is taking so long, you guys. I had a feeling he would work from the get-go, but I didn't know he still had batteries in him. Granted, they sound extraordinarily old. So, where? Okay. Okay. Do I have it now? There we go. Oh. Now. Oh, goodness. These are some cheapies. No wonder. This guy is very, very large. He needs heavy-duty ones to get him somewhere. Okay. These are probably junk, so they are going down here. File 13. Dunk. Okay. Oh yeah. These are some heavy-duty bad boys. Okay, there are 4 released, and I need 1 more. Excuse me. Where is the thing of batteries? I do not know, but I will go ahead and put these in here so they will be ready. There is something slick in here. I hope it's not battery acid. It doesn't feel like it. It just feels like that kind of powdery stuff that you put on something silicone that you don't want to dry out. They probably treated this guy with something. And these batteries are not wanting to be nice. Really? Anything to make this take longer? Okay. Now I only need 1. So jeez. There we go. Okay. I'll put the last of these back in here. And now for the fun part. I've got to figure out which way this crazy thing goes in this dinosaur's body. I have never seen such an arrangement. Not that way. Not that way. This way? Yes. That way. Oh, that way. thought that way. Where does the hickey-doo go? Okay. Well, let's flip it over. Will it go in this way? No. This way? Yes. Okay. Let's try this again. Whee! There we go. Oh, there we go. Got it. This screwdriver does not like me. Or not the screwdriver, but the screw does not like me. Okay. Is it in there? Yeah. All right. Let's see what he does this time. Oh my gosh, he's heavy. All right. Let's try to get everybody in frame this time. Or sorta in frame. All right. Let's see what he does now. See if this is any better. Because if I have ordered 2 junk toys in a month, I'm gonna be mad. Certainly sounds better. He can still wag his tail. Hello. Rah. He can kind of blink his eyes. I'm trying to see if he can turn his head. I think a good many of his motors are done. Let's turn him around. See if he'll turn his head the other way. Rah! Nope, he can't turn his head this way. Wow. Apparently, there are a lot of motors of his that don't really work. But he can wag his tail. And he can still open his mouth. Whoop. There you go, you can turn your head. I guess when you have a little help. Raw. And you can kind of he can flick his eyebrows. He's getting very happy. And he can turn his head. He's starting to get just a little more mobile. I'm not sure what that one is for. All that. Yeah, he's got some issues, but I'm not 100% sure what all of them are. I know for sure that he can move his mouth and he can move his eyes. And he can kind of move his head. Oh. Oh my God, what a mouth. Come on. Okay, any day now you can let go. Oh, that was funny. Well, he is basically working. I feel much better about him than I do about my poor Winnie doll. I don't know what happened there, but she is in terrible shape. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna flip him around once more. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. All of you have a very Merry Christmas. God bless. And I will see you in the next video.